Hi, Anita Adams from Fine Country. Today we're in Staffordshire, in the heart of the village of Alton, historically known as it dates back to Saxon time. The old vicarage here is a fantastic 5-bedroom detached family home built around 1805. The current owners have lovingly restored the property, retaining many original features. Come with me and let's take a look inside. This well-appointed 5-bedroom detached family home offers spacious rooms with high ceilings, as you would expect to find in a country home. Original features include flagstone floors, fireplaces and shutters to windows. The perfect garden for children to play hide and seek and create their stories. This fantastic property is perfect for the family. Here in Alton, we're enjoying views over the village and we're on the doorstep for Churnet Valley and Dimmingsdale. For further information, please contact me on the details to follow.